Hello, what's up guys, welcome back with me. Okay, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Top 5 things to watch in the market in the week ahead. The fixed income in the week ahead, investor will be focusing on the space by Federal versus head Jerome Powell at the Central Bank Annual Conference in the Jackson Hole for insight on the future spot interest rate. The speech called "Shake Up Market" with the rarely used as equities already showing signs of slowing U.S. economic data will be in the spotlight as far over the prospect of the precision linger. Meanwhile, PMI, PMI data on the Eurozone and the UK is expected to dampen in the future. Further slowdown in the business activity are what you need to know to start your week. 1. Firstly, Jackson Hole. Investors were eagerly waiting just Powell's speech in the Jackson Hole. Miami on Friday for possible and the first about how. Will the next Thai arrival stop bringing inflation back under control? The Fed argues by a basic point, the since March in the bit basis point since March in the bit of better inflation, which is running under the biggest in the world Sudan's. The policy markers have reiterated the rare still a way to get to the inflation flag, passing back on the expectation on the peak, passing back on the expectation of peak, back on expectation of peak, and the skull deficit point on the narrative of the help was stock. Last week, Fed minutes saw the while the size the September rate hike still implied policymakers filed their little advice for further inflation pressures or shopping. Powell likely around investor and on more inflation report and another employment report still. Power likely the remain investor. That why that with that wait that wait that with on more inflation report and another employment report still have come before the September meeting official. Still have time to decide how large that rate hike should be. Secondly, US data. The economic trend for the coming week filtered to the figures on personal income and spending, which includes the personal consumption expenditures press index to feel pressure of inflation. The bond dropped on the PCA price index and 6%, the largest in strength since January 2009. On the data point cloud further on the faster second quarter of gross domestic product, which entirely caught election. The well about global got under initial jobless claim the PMI data for July. Meanwhile, data for July. Meanwhile, data on new home sales will sit more like on the calling housing market. Stock stock you further since the start of the second half boosted by strong than expected corporate recent event as the Fed hike rate to curb inflation. Market have gained this set wording from Fed policy market the action of peaking inflation and so-called deficit pivot from the central bank might be premature. But there are signs that rally might starting to slow after Wall Street. The major indexes in the last week lowered the S&P 500 about 1% and Nasdaq. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like, share, comment. Bye bye.